What is up, guys? Hector Rodriguez here, and in this video it's going to be very sweet and to the point. I'm going to show you how to scan for stocks on the Thinkorswim platform by TD Ameritrade. So if you don't already have an account with TD Ameritrade, the first thing that you need to do is go to their website, create an account. Once that's all set up, you're going to download the Thinkorswim platform. This is what's going to pop up right here. So on the top left column, to begin, you're going to have all these different tabs, right? You're going to click on scan. This is where you scan stocks. This is where you find stocks, the stocks that you're going to be looking at and potentially trading in the market that day. So you're going to go up here to the top right. You're going to add filter. We're scanning for stocks, so that's what we're going to choose. You have the option to trade, to scan for options, right? But we're specifically scanning for stocks. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that I only use two filters. So I'm going to go ahead and put two criteria that I'm going to search for. Then over here you have all these options: back volume, beta, that has to do with options, earnings per share, the last price that it was traded, the lowest price that it was traded, right? So don't be overwhelmed by that. All you really need is to find the hottest stocks that are trading that morning, right? The biggest gappers is volume. Why is volume so important? Because it basically says that there's a lot of eyeballs on these stocks. There's a lot of people watching them. There's some type of press release, some type of news catalyst, some type of info out in the general public that is causing volatility and popularity in these stocks. So minimum, maximum, I like to keep it at, I want to scan for stocks that are trading at a minimum of 500,000 shares. And over here on maximum, I actually don't put anything there because I don't want to cap it at anything. Sometimes stocks are trading in the tens of millions of shares in the pre-market, and I don't want to put 2 million and then miss out on having those stocks on my scanner that are trading above 2 million in this case. And then the second criteria that I scan for is the last price. Minimum, maximum. The last price means the price that it was traded right before market close on the previous trading day. So if a stock was, closed yesterday at $5, it's going to be basically, it's going to show up here if I put, minimum $4 and then maximum $7, for example. This depends on your trading strategy, the types of stocks that you like to trade based on price. I like to see everything that is trading between 50 cents and $15. Some traders, they don't want to trade anything less than $20, so they're, they would put $20 and then maximum $40. It just depends on your style of trading, but most big morning gappers are within 50 cents and $15. Okay, so that's it, guys. You basically click scan, and this is a very important part. See all these columns? You want to set this up to see at least volume, right? You want to see the volume that's being traded, right? Because we're scanning for that. The last price that it was traded the previous day, and then mark percentage change, which is essentially like how much it's gapped up on a percentage basis that morning. So there's a little settings circle right here. You're gonna click it, click customize, and then on the left column you can choose any of these different columns that you want to have on this entire page, right? So what you would do is you would double click it, see how it moved over. You would double click it, say we actually want to have those things. We don't. If you don't, you just remove it. Right on this right side, I already have my current settings, and that's, most people are gonna have, obviously the symbol. You want to see what stocks you're gonna search. The symbol, quick little description of the company, the last price that it was traded, right? It's over here on the top left. That's what we're scanning for. Mark percentage change, very important. How much it's gapped up on, that day, that morning. The volume, right? Very important because it shows you how much, popularity the stock has. And then you're gonna press OK, and those are all gonna have, be set up over here. And that's it. You're gonna be looking at my style of trading. You're gonna be looking at the top stocks up here that are trading with the highest gappers, and then you're gonna look at the volume, and that's just gonna give you some assurance that there is popularity in those stocks. And that's basically it, guys. How you go about trading it is all, depends on your style of trading, whether it's day trading, whether it's scalping or swing trading. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I plan on making more videos like this, more educational videos, and it definitely keeps me intact as well. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys